Hello, today we are seeing how to download Python for free, and also a code editor for it, called PyCharm. So let's start.
So first, here, go to CMD and click OK. And here, type in python.exe and then click OK and wait. It will open the Microsoft Store. And here it will take you automatically to the Python download page and the Microsoft Store, and you can click on Get to install it. And here it will start to install. And next we will download code editor. With a code editor, you can see your program. So here, let's learn how to install the best code editor for Python. So here, go to this link, JetBrains, and go to PyCharm. And you can just, like I said, you can click the link down below in the description. And here, you can download PyCharm for Windows, for Mac OS, and here for Linux. Yeah, you can also download it for Mac OS. I did not believe that. Even the image has Windows. Here, we can just click now on download. And here, you can just wait and install the file. This might take a long time, but the wait is worth it. So here, this is how you install Python and a code editor for Python, which is PyCharm.